The car wash was a community initiative to stop youths in the community who were participating in unlawful activities such as holdups and car thefts in the surrounding suburbs. Today, we spoke with Tom Yobale, who is the Bund Camp youth community representative at the Kanage Street 6-mile car wash. Yobale spoke of the reason behind why youths were doing such unlawful deeds.
Plenty of rascal passing, plenty of something where all not supposed to make it win come up big blood because government pidlo looks away all. Pidlo all work where can give all youths to me blood. That's why me blood provide him all own work me blood make him all slakawas lo area lo slap. Just because lo make him all youths to me busy.
He went on to say the government must utilize the youths as they are the upcoming leaders of this country. Yobale added the reason why the initiative was done.
Ibla no pidlo Keterium all employment blow, mibla uses la road lo was a car, na blow all youths lo mibla plus all mibla community le, all picking Nicolo school, all you means na ways blow, so at least lo provide means na service blow, lo keke blow house to lo night, slakay na mibla use him le.
The community car wash has benefited a lot of families in the community by providing their day-to-day needs through income generated through the car wash. Yobale stated the unlawful activities have reduced since the community took up the initiative. Claire Mauta, National EMTV News.